Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 6th mathematics chapter 1, that's name is knowing our numbers. Okay, so this chapter is related to the Telangana State Board, and in the previous videos we already see the our exercise solutions of this chapter. Okay, now so if you want this chapter exercise solution, so in description there is a link, you can check out from there. Okay, otherwise you can just go to our channel, click on the playlist, and there you will find the exercise solution of class 6 maths. Okay, so generally this is a one shot video where I'm going to explain these chapters in detail. So maybe this video is going to be for 1 hour, 2 hours, something it will be, but in this video I explain each and every question to you with a very detail and with a very easy way to you. Okay, so if you have any kinds of doubt in this particular chapter, if any confusion is there, so don't worry about it. In this video only, whatever your doubt is there, whatever your confusion is there, everything is going to be clear. Okay, because I teach mathematics to the weak student, so don't worry about it. I explain each and everything to you. Okay, so generally what we are going to learn in this chapter, let's see this first. So in this chapter, like estimating and comparing numbers, in this one we are going to learn like greatest and smallest numbers, ascendings, like ascending means increasings and descendings orders, associated symbols. Okay, now write the numbers into the words and figure, uses of commas, Indian and international number systems, rounding of numbers, digits like greater and smallest, 2 digits greater number, 3 digits greater number, etc. Okay, explanation and short forms. Okay, generally these things we are going to be learn. Okay, so let's start this chapter with our first topics. What is so mean by knowing our numbers? First of all, what do you understand by the numbers? So generally we know about the numbers like 1, 2, 3, counting numbers, tables, etc. So in mathematics generally we are the in the base where we are going to be learn about, like in mathematics there is only two things. First is that our counting number and tables. If you know about this, then mathematics is going to be easy. Then you have to know about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That's enough. This is a basic mathematics which a student have to be know about it. After that, it's my guarantee to be make this chapter clear. Okay, right. So in this chapter we are just going to know about the numbers only. Okay, now like what is the greatest number, what is the smallest, how the ascending numbers work, what is the how we will use symbol, what is comma, what is Indian number systems. Okay, now etc. These are the things we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, I hope you will understand. So let's start this chapter with the greatest and smallest number. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to start our first point here, greatest and smallest number. Okay, na, so here I will write this is the given greatest and smallest. Actually my handwriting is bad because I'm writing with the pencil here, na, so that's why smallest numbers. Okay, na, right. So first we are going to learn about what is the greatest and smallest number. Okay, so listen carefully. What is greatest number? You know the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you know about the counting numbers. Generally if I talk about this is a given 2 and this is given 5. So in this one, which is greatest number? So you will say, sir, this 5 is a greatest number. Why? Because we know that in the counting the 5 is greater. That's why you will say, in the simple language you will say, sir, I have a 2 chocolates, my friend have a 5 chocolates. So who have more chocolates? So you will say my friend have, because he have 5 chocolates and I have only 2 chocolates. It means that this 5 is greater. Yes, you are right, here 5 is greater. Like that only in the when we deal with the like some greater numbers. Let's suppose you have 2 books. Okay, you have how many books? You have 2 books. Okay, and your friend have 10 books. Okay, your friend have 10 books. So now I am asking who have greater book, who have more book. So you will say my friend have more books. Why? Because my friend have 10 books, it means that it have greater books, it have more, it's greater than me. Okay now. And you will say I have a 2 books, it means that I have very little books, it means that you are small, right? Like that only we deal with the numbers. Okay now, exactly. If you understand, this is a 10 and this is a 50. So if I ask you in this 10 or in this 15 which is greater, so you will say sir 50 is greater. Why? Because this is a big number, that's why it's greater. So you will say sir 50 is greater. Okay, so if I ask which is a smaller, so differently you will say sir 10 is a smallest. Why? Because this is a, when we compare 10 and 15, 10 is greater and 15 is greater and 10 is the smallest. It's a simple questions, right? Now when we go to the some higher numbers, like exactly if you talk, let's suppose this is a 765, this is a 8, okay, so if I take you 8075. Okay, in this one let's talk about this. In this one, which is greater, which is smaller? So you will say sir this is 700. Okay, 765, but this is a 875. It means that this 800 is greater. It means that this 875 is our greater number, it is a greatest. Okay, which is the smallest? This one is a smallest. Okay, this is a smallest. Simple, right? Is it clear? Right, now let's talk another numbers. Like if you have like excess, if I talk about another questions like which is greater, which is smaller, now you have to tell me. Okay, so this is a question, first question I'm giving you. In this one, this is given 8, 15, 75 and 20. In this one, which is greater? So let's see, this is 8, this is 15, this is 75, this is 200. Which is greater? So in this one, this 75 is greater, so you will write 75 is greater. So you will write 75 is a greatest number. Okay, that's cool. Now I'm asking you which is a smaller, so you will say this is 8, this is 15, this is 20. It means that 8 is the smallest number in this one, so you will say 8 is the smallest in this one, right? Is it clear or not? This is very clear. In this number we have to find. Let me take you another question. Let's suppose this is 100, this is 200, this is 700 and this is going to be 105. Okay, now in this one I'm asking you which is greater, which is greater. So you will say this is 100, this is 200, this is 7. So in this whole number 700 is greater, so you will say sir 700 is a greatest, it is a greatest number. Okay, it is a greatest. Okay, I understand it's greatest. Now I'm asking you this 700 is greatest, then which in this number which is smaller? So you will say this is 100, this is 2, this is 105. It means that 100 is the smallest here, so you will find 100 is a smallest here, 100 is a smallest. Okay, when we compare 200 is greater, 105 is also greater, but 100 is smallest. Okay now, right? So these are the questions. Okay, so now let this question again, now I'm taking this question higher something. Okay, so let's take third question. Let's suppose this is given 585. 585. This is given 9000. Sorry. Okay. This is given 1459. Okay. Another question is given 35,851. Okay. Now another question is given 23. Okay. Now I am asking you. Okay, so I will take this question something little bit here, okay, to be understand. Okay, now I am asking you which is greater in this one. So what you will say, just count this. This is a 3 digits. Let's count the digits. Okay, now this is a 3 digits. How many digits? It have 3 digits. Here how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 digits are there. Okay, here how many digits? 5 digits are there. Here only 2 digits. Now you can just, if you understand, now just see which number have more digits. This number, this have 5 digits. If you see in this is a 585, this is a 1459, 59. This is a 35,000. It's a more. Why? Because it, if you count, this is a 1 2 3 4 5 digits itself, it's a greater. But here this all are same only na. This is also 3 digit, this is all these are the 3 digits only. But here the numbers are very bigger numbers are there. So how we will find which is greater? It's very simple. Count the digits which have more greater digits, we will write like here this 5, this number have 5 digits. It means that this is a 5851 is our greatest. Okay, now this is a greatest number in this one. Which is the smallest? In this one which have very small digits, that's going to be a smallest. 23 is a smallest in this one. Okay, 23 is a smallest. Okay, now I will take the another question. Okay, now let me I tell you, let's suppose we done that. Okay, let's suppose this is my example 8 6 3 4 5. Okay, now this is 9 6 3 2 4. Okay, now this is 8 4 1 6. Okay, now this is given 2 3 4 and 6. Okay, generally this question I take it. Okay, okay, I take this question something here. Okay, generally I take this question. Now I am telling you in this question find which is greater. So count the digits 1 2 3 4 5. It have 5 digits. Okay, it have also 5 digits. It have 4 digits. Count 1 2 3 4. It have 4 digits. You will say, sir, here this is a 5 digits, we find easily, but here we have two 5 digits. It's also. So now in this one, this is a 8,000 and this one, which is greater? We have to find the greatest number. We have to find the greatest number in this whole number, which is greatest. So when we count, this is a 5 digits, it's also 5 digits, it's also 4 digits, it's also 4 digits. Now which is greater? Both are the 5 digits. This both are the 5 digits number. So now we are going to see the numbers. This is a 8,000. This is going to be 86,000. This is how much? If you count ones, tens, hundred, this is going to be 1,000. This is 86,000. This is 96,000. Which is greater in this one? This is 86,000 is greater. This is 86 is greater, or 96 is greater. If you take this two, which is greater? Of course, this 96. It means that this is 96324 is greater. Okay, it's over. Yeah, it's over. Now we have to find the smallest. Now we have to find the smallest in this one. So how we will find? Which have less digits. So here it's have 4 digits. Here if you see, it have how much? It have 8,416. And how many it have? It have 2346. Which is smaller? Let's see. This is a 8, this is a 2. Which is, of course, this is only smaller. Why? Because it's have also 4 digits, it's have also 4 digits. But which have a smaller number? This is 8, this is 2, which is this one. So this is a 2346 is a smaller, right? 2346 is the smallest. It's a very simple question or not? It's a very simple. Okay, so for the such question only I will take the third question. Okay, now another example I will take to be understand more better. This is 5 8 and 5. Okay, now another, this is your do these examples which is already given in your textbook in the starting onwards. Okay, this is one question. Another 6,700 6. Okay, not 6,600. Okay, now we have to find the greatest. We have to find the greatest number and a smallest number in this one. Okay, now let's find out. In this one, this is how many digits? This is 3 digits. Here 1 2 3 4, it have 4 digits. Here it have 3 digits, it's have 2 digits. Now which is greater here? So which have more digits? So this is a 4 digits here, so it means that this is greater. So which is greater? This is 9,535. This is 35. This is greater, right? Now which is smaller here? So see, this is also 3, this is 2, this have only 2 numbers, that is 44. So which is smaller? 44. Simple. So you can count the digits and you can do that one also. Okay, now let's talk about the another example. Let's talk about the sixth example, which is given 39 comma 748 and 19,651 and 7,850. Okay, right. So let's talk about here. We have to find the greatest one. we have to find greatest one and a smallest one. Okay, in this one we have to find greatest. So how many digits? It's have two digits. How many? 1 2 3, three digits. It's have 1 2 3 4 5 digits. It's have 1 2 3 4 digits. Now you can tell me which is greatest. So which have more digits, that is greater. It have 5 digits, it means that is greater. Why? Because it's a 19,651. It is greater only because it's a 5 digits also. Okay, that's why. Now which is a smaller here? So if you see which have less digits, so it have 2 digits only, so that is how much? 39. So 39, this is over. Okay now, so like that you can do this one. Okay now, so this is a very simple way to be find out this. Okay, I hope this is going to be clear to you. Okay na? Okay, leave it, I will leave like that only. Okay na? So I hope this is going to be clear. Okay, is it clear to you or not? It's clear. If you want this PDF, I will upload in the description also. Okay, right. So I hope you will understand the greatest and the smallest one. Okay na? If the greatest and the smallest is clear. Okay na? So here we already talk about this one. First one is clear, which is greatest and which is the smallest, we can find out now. Okay now, we can easily find out. Okay now, let me I give you another question. Okay, so let's take example. I will ask one example with you to be I want to see did you understand or not. Let's see with another example. This is given 15,432. Okay, 15,892 and another 15,370 and another 15,524. Now I want to be this answer. You have to tell which is the greatest, and which is the smallest. So in this one it's a very simple. Let's count the digits. So it have 5 digits. Okay, how many? It have also 5. It have also 5. It have also, in this one all digits have 5. So we cannot going to find like that. Okay, because it's all have same digits. Okay, now how we are going to find? Just see, simple. This is a 15,000. Yes, this is also 15, this is also 15, this is also, both are same only na. Yes, now we are going to see this another number. This is how much? 432. This is how 892. This is 372. This is how much? This is going to be 370. This is 520. Which is greater? This is 432. This is 432 because 15 15 15 15 same. Now see, this is 432. How much it is? It is 892. Here how much? 372. This is how much? This is 524. Now in this one which is greater? 4 8 3 5. Which is greater? Of course 8 is greater. It means that this is greater. So which is greater? 15,892 is greater. Okay, now this is okay, over. Now which is a smaller? So this is 15,000. This is also 15. This is also 15. We cannot say. This is 432, 372. Now if you see this number, this. Okay, so in this one which is a smaller? So of course this is 4, this is 5, this is 3. 3 is a smaller. It means that 370 is a smaller. It means that this whole number is like that. 15,370 is our smaller here. Okay, is it clear? Right. So now this question is over totally. So we are going to talk about ascending and descending orders. Okay now, so we are going to talk about the ascending and descending orders. So let's see the ascending and descending orders. So our next question. Okay na, so let's talk about the ascending and descending here. So we are going to talk about the ascending and descending. Okay, so generally sometimes people call ascending as a decreasing also. Ascending, which is ascending means increasing. Some people say it's increasing. Okay, I will write here increasing, and I'm going to talk about descending order. Okay, not descending. DESCENDING, descending. And descending is also called as it's called as the decreasing order. Okay now, decreasing, DECREASING, decreasing order. Okay, now generally. Okay, let's talk about the ascending and descending. What is the mean by ascending order and what is the mean by descending order? Let's see. So let me drink water. Okay, right. So ascending and descending means simple. Let's understand the ascending order first. This is a steps. Okay na, let's suppose your house is there na, your house. Okay, your this is your house. In your house there will be steps like that. For the going on the roof, there will be roof na. So for if you want to go up in your house, so there will be steps. Okay, like that steps will be. Otherwise in your school also there will be steps like that. Okay, so how you go to steps like that, you are going first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that the steps are there na. So sometimes when we are childhood we are going in steps like that, 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are the 6 steps re. Okay, like generally when we are childhood, when we are in childhood, we count the steps. I jump 2 steps. Like sometimes what will happen when we are in our childhood, we jump from like there is a 6 step. Now we jump from 6 step to 4 steps like that. Otherwise we jump from 1 steps to 3 steps. Otherwise we go very fastly, we leave this second step, we jump like that, third steps. Okay, so generally we did so such type of work in our childhood. Okay, now here the question is that what is the ascending order? It means that increasing means it's going to be increase, it's more. Okay now, like if you see, this is called ascending order. Ascending order means what? When you are going to a small number to bigger number, a small number to big number, that is the called ascending order. How? Let's suppose you are going to a step. This is a steps are given. You are going to you are here, okay, and your friend is in here. Okay, this is your friend is here. You want to from step this one, from step 1 you want to go step 6. So how you will go? You will go from, basically you will go first step, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth. Generally this is the called only ascending order. How? Because you are going from the small to big. First you are going 1, then you going 2, then 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. It means that you are going from the smaller number, like 1 is a smaller, then you jump, 2 is a greater, then 2 to 3, from 2 and 3 is greater, then 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. It means that you are going from the smaller steps to the bigger steps. So generally when you are going from a small number to big number, that is the only called ascending orders. When you are going from the small numbers to the big number, that is called ascending order. Okay, now what is the mean by descending order? Okay, this is the called ascending order, small to big. Again, a small to big is called ascending. Okay, small to big number is called ascending. Okay, now what is the mean by descending order? So remember, this is your friend. Okay, now your friend wants to come to you. Okay, your friend wants to come to you. So how your friend will come? This is the steps are there, na? From 6 to he coming to 5, 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, and he come to you. Right? So how your friend is coming? Your friend is in the 6th position. He is coming from the big to a small number. He is coming from the big to a small numbers. So when you come from the big number to the smaller number, that is the called as descending. Descending, you can say descending or decreasing. It is decreasing or not? He is in the 6th position. He came 5th to 4th position, 4th to 3rd position, 3rd to 2nd, 2nd to 1st. So it is decreasing only na, right? So generally what will happen, your friend is here, your friend wants to come to you. So what will happen, your friend is in the 6th steps, he come to the 5th step. It's increasing or decreasing? It's decreasing only na. Descending order means when you are coming from big number to a smaller number, you are in the 6th, you come to the 5th, 5th to the 4th, 4th to the 3rd, 3rd to the 2nd, 2nd to the 1st. So it means that you are coming from the bigger number to a smaller number. So when you come from the bigger number to a smaller number, that is the called as the descending order. Remember? So what is the ascending order? Ascending order means when you are going to a smaller number to bigger number, a smaller number to bigger number, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a smaller to big numbers. It's like that. Okay, it's going like that. It's small to big, it's going to be like that. Okay, small to big. And when you are coming from the big to a small, okay now, when you are coming from the big to a small, okay now, right? So this is called the descending order. When you come big number to a smaller number, that's the our descending, that's the our descending. Okay na? And when you are going from the, this is called the ascending. Okay, right? I hope it's clear to you. Okay, right? It's clear, right? So now let's take the examples. Okay, let me I take the examples. Okay, so this is given 2 5 6 and 8. Write this number into the ascending. Write this number. Okay na? Write this now. Okay, so okay, just wait a minute, I will take this question here. Okay, sorry, I have to choose this pen. Okay, okay, so now I'm telling you, write this number, write this number into ascending and descending order. Okay, now I'm telling you, you have to write this number into ascending and descending. So how you can write ascending order? So how you will write in ascending order? So in the ascending order, okay na, let's see, in the ascending order, we know that in the ascending we are going to write ascending means this is like that. Okay, 1 2 3 4. It means that we are going from the smaller to big. Here we have to choose a smaller. In this one, which is a smaller? 2 5 6 8. Which is a smaller? Actually, generally this question I change. I will write like that. 8 7 9 3. Okay, and 1. Okay, let's suppose this is our question. Okay, this is our question. Okay, now in this question I'm telling you, write this question in ascending order. So how you will write ascending? Ascending means what? In this question we have to choose which is a smaller. 8 7 9 3 1. Which is a smaller? In this one is a smaller here. So first write a smaller number 1. After it, in this is over, now we have left 8 7 9 3. In this one, which is a smaller? 8 7 9 3. In this one, 3 is a smaller. Write the 3. After that, 3 is over. Now which is left? 8 7 9 is left. In this 8 7 9, which is a smaller? 7 is a smaller. So write 7. 7 is also over. We have left two things, 8 and 9. In 8 or 9, which is a smaller? 8 is a smaller. Write 8. 8 is over. Now what is left? 9. Just write 9. So this is called the ascending order. Why? Because if you see, this is smaller, 1 to 3, 3 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9. This is going from the small number to big number. So this is called generally ascending order. This is called the ascending order. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, now I will take another example, like 20 is given, 15 is given, okay, 30 is given, and okay, and there is 6 is given. Okay, generally this question only till here only. So now I'm telling you, write this into the ascending. Okay, so how you are going to write this into ascending? Simple. In this question, ascending means a small to big. In this one, which is a smaller number? 20 15 30. If you say 6 is a smaller, write 6 first of all. This is over. 20 15 30. Which is a smaller? 15 is a smaller, right? 15. After that, in this 15 is also over. In 20 or 30, which is a smaller? 20 is a smaller, right? 20. After that, which is a smaller? 30. Write the 30. Over. So generally this is called the ascending and descending. This is called ascending. Okay, now let's see the descending. Now we are going to see the descending. Okay na? So we are going to talk about the descending right now. So we are going to talk about descending. So we are going to talk about descending orders. Okay, so in descending order, what will happen? We are going from the upper number to bigger number. Like 6 is there, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 is given. Okay, so we are coming from the upper number to the smaller number, so that is the called as a descending. Descending means when you are coming from the big to a small number, big to a small number. Okay, that is called a descending. Okay, so in this one, okay now, in this one numbers, like if I talk about this number, in this one which is a bigger number, which in this one which is bigger number, in this one 9 is bigger, so in descending we will write the greatest number first, 9. Okay, after that in this one, which after the 9 which is bigger, 8 7 3 1, which is 8 is bigger, write the 8. After the 8 in this 7 3 1, which is bigger, so of course 7 is there, so write the 7 7. After that 7 over, in 3 or 1, which is bigger here, so 3 is bigger, write the 3. Now what is left, 1, right? So in the descending means what we are understanding, in descending order it's all about writing the big number to the small number. Okay na? So here in this one which is bigger, 9, then after 8 7 3 2 1, don't understand like this. In this one which is bigger, 9 is over. After that which is bigger, 8 7 3 1 8. After that which is bigger, 7. After that which is bigger, 3. After that, that's so here if you, okay, so here if you are looking this, so this is a one sequence wise we written here. So ascending, this ascending is going a small number to big and descending big number to a small, right? Now let's see this example. So here we are going to see, in this one we are going to talk about, we are going to write about this into the descending order. Okay now, let's write this into the descending order. So descending, okay, descending order. So we are going to write this into descending. So in this one which is greater, 20 15 30, 30 is greater, write 30 first. After that which is greater, 20 15 6, which is greater, 20 is greater, write 20. After the 20 which is left, 15 or 6, in 15 or 6 which is greater, 15 is greater, write 15. After that 15 which is left, 6, write 6 only, over. So generally this is called the ascending and descending order. This is a very simple, nothing in this. Okay, now this is a very easy questions. Okay, let's take the example. Okay, so I will choose example from the, okay, I will choose from the textbook only. Okay, so let's talk about examples. Okay now, so I am taking your first question, 3 7 5. Okay, in this one, and 1 4 7 5, and then after 1 5 9 5 1, and then after 4 7 1 3. Okay, now generally this is one question I taken, and so now we have to write this into the ascending order also, we have to write into the ascending order also, and we have to write also in the descending order also. Okay, so generally we have to write in both ascending and descending. So let's write ascending. Ascending means what? A small to big, a small to big, simple. Okay now, like a small to big, that is called a ascending. Okay, so in this number which is the smaller, this is a 3 digits, 1 2 3, this is 4 digits, this is 5 digits, this is 4 digits. In this one which is, this is only a smaller, this is a 375 is a smaller. Okay, this is over. After that in this one, this is a 4 digits, this also 4 digits, this is, so this means this is this both, this is a 1475, this is a 4000, this is a 1000, this is a 4000, which is a smaller, so of course 1000, right? 1475. Okay, now in this one which is, this is over. After that here and here, this is 5 digits number, 1, this is 2 3 4 5, this is 4, then after this is only a smaller, right? This 4 1 3. After that which is left, this, right? Like that only. Okay na, 9 5 1. Okay, right, it's over, right? Now, so I hope this is clear to you. So if it is clear, then let's take this, the, now let's write this into the ascending order. Now we have to, ascending is over, now we have to write this into the descending. In descending order, we know that we have to come from the big number to a small number. In descending, we have to come from the big to a small. In this one which is big number, so this is the 3 digits, this is a 4 digits, this is a 5 digits, this is a 4 digits. So here this is a 5 digits, so we have to write that this is a 5 which is greater only, so write the greatest for number first, 9 5 1. now it's over. It's over. In this one 375 4, in this one which is greater, so this is 4 digit, this is a 4 digits. Okay, this is a 1000, this is a 4000, so it means that this is the only greater, 4070. So write 4017. Okay, 4713. After it is clear, in this one and in this one which is greater, this is a 375, this is a 1000, so it means that this is greater, right? 1475. After which is left, this is left, so write like that 375. Okay, now it's over. So if you observe here carefully, it's repeating like that. This is a smaller. If you take this ulta, okay, now ulta means if you take it back, like it's 15, same here, 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 here also, so it's going like that only. Okay, now like 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is a ascending order, small to big. If you write descending means 4 5 4 3 2 1, this is the descending. Okay, now so generally this is the only here. Okay, now so I hope it's clear to you. Okay, now so this question also clear ascending and descending. I hope you will understand here. So overall this ascending and descending is also clear. Now we are going to talk about appropriated symbols. Okay, now what is mean by appropriated symbols? Let's talk about it. Okay, now so I'm going to write, so exactly you have to comment this answer to me. Okay, like 1 5 9 and 6. Okay, write this into the ascending and descending. Okay, write this into the ascending. Okay, na ascending and descending. Okay, comment this, comment this. Okay, now comment this answer to me. Okay, so I'm going to write this again, so just wait a minute. Okay, I drink water. Okay, so continue. I am speaking, so that's why. All right, so now we are going to talk about appropriated symbols, right? So let's look about it. So our third is, okay, so wait a minute. Okay, so our third quiz is what? Appropriated symbol, right? We are going to talk about what is it, that appropriated symbols, right? We have to talk about these symbols and these symbols. Okay, and there is also one symbols like that, equals to. Equals to means what? This is 2 is there na, this is 2, here also 2 are given na, both are same only na, so equals to will come. Okay, na like 5 is there, 5 is there, both are same number, equals to will come. This is 8, this is 8. Okay, both are same number, so equals to will come. This is 10, this is also 10, both are same number, equals to will come. Okay, whenever you see a same number, so equals to will come there. Okay, na right? So if let's suppose this is 10, this is 12, in this one equals to will come? No, this is 10, this is 12, both are different numbers, so equals to will not come here. But if it is 10 by 10, equals to come. If it is 12 by 12, equals to come in this. Okay, right? So I hope you will understand equals to. Now let's understand this symbol. These symbols are given, two symbols are given, one is like that and one is like that. So this symbol is both are same only, this symbol is same. You can write this, sometimes it's look like that, or sometimes it's look like that. Okay, right? How it's working I will tell you. In this one, this is 4 and this is 5. Okay, so now you can tell me this 4 and this 5, which is greater? This 4 is greater or this 5 is greater? So you will say, sir, 5 is greater. So in this 5 you will use symbol like that. You are looking this. Okay, you are looking, this mouth is open now, so this mouth is only open where it is greater number is there, that side only this mouth will be open. So in this 4 or in this 5, which is greater? 5 is greater now, that's why it's going to be like that. Where it's greater? 5 is greater now, so its mouth will be open like that only. Okay, now its mouth, let's understand, this is a mouth. Okay, where it's good food is there, this is a 4th, this is 5. Okay, there is a 4 laddu, there is a 5 laddus. Okay, so you will always look up to the fifth laddu only. Okay, there is a, like, if you think there is a 1 chocolate and here it is a 2 chocolates, so now you can tell me which is greater in this one, which, who have more chocolates. So here 2 chocolates are there only now, so which is greater, 1 or 2 is greater? 2 is greater, so its mouth is going to be like that. Why? Because here 1 chocolates are there, here 2 chocolates. It means that here more chocolates are there, so your mouth is going to be like that only. Oh my god, he have a 2 chocolates more than me. Okay, so generally understand like that only. Okay, now because in this number which is greater, its mouth is open like that only. Okay, now I will tell you another question. Let's suppose this is 8 and this is going to be 10. Okay, in this one which is greater, so you will say, sir, this is 8, this is 10, 10 is greater, so where its mouth open? Only in the side of 10. Okay, now what will happen here, I'm taking this 5 here and 4 here. Okay, in this one which is greater, so you will say, sir, 5 is only greater, so you will write like that. No, now which is greater? 5 is only greater now, so its mouth will open. Where its mouth open? Its mouth open always in the greater side only. So 5 here. So if you see both question, this are same only, this both are okay, this both are same only. What will happen here? 4 is here, 5 is here. Which is greater? 5 is greater here. Now 5 is in this side, so that's why the mouth open that side. Okay, here this is 5 and this is 4. Which is greater? 5 is only greater, that's why mouth is open here like that. Okay, this is 10, this is 8. Now tell me which is greater. So 10 is greater, so mouth will turn here. So always remember, this mouth is given, this mouth is always open in that side only which is greater numbers are here. Okay, let me take you another example. This is 100, this is 50. Tell me which is greater. So you will say, sir, 100 is greater. So 100 is greater na, so its mouth going to be like that only. Okay, let's suppose this is 80 and this is 100. Now which is greater? 100 is greater na, so its mouth going to be like that. Okay, now another example. Let's suppose this is the 200 and this is going to be 100. Okay, so now which is greater? So you will say 200. So 200 like that. Let's suppose this is 8 and this is 5. Which is greater? So you will say, sir, 8 is greater, so its mouth is like that. Now this is 5, this is 8. Now which is greater? So you will say, sir, 8 is greater, so its mouth is going to be open like that only. So don't be confused, this is same only. This is all about this mouth. Where the greater number is there, its mouth will turn in that side only. Okay, let's suppose this is 1, this is 2. Which is greater? 2, so it's going to be like that. This is 2, this is 1. In this one which is greater? 2 is only greater, so it will be like that. Okay, now so this is a very simple question, nothing in this one, just you don't have to worry about it. I will take another question. This is a 4895. Okay, and this is a 4864. Now you can tell me which is greater. So this is a 4000. How many digits? It's a 4 digits. It's a both have 4 digits only. Okay, now this is clear. Okay, now in this one we will look one thing also. This is a 4000, it's also 4000. This is 800, this is also 800. Now this is 95, this is 64. 95 or 64, which is greater? 95. It means that this number, this is greater. Which is greater? This number is greater. Why? Because this is a 48, this is also 40. This is 95, this is 64. This is the 95 is greater. Okay na? 4800, this is also 4800, but this is 4095, this is 4064. So which is greater? This. Now I will change this question. This is given na, I will put like that here. This is 4864. Whatever this I will put here, 4895. Now you can tell me which is greater, this or this. Which is greater? Of course this is greater, so it will turn like that. Okay, this is 8, this is 10. Which is greater? 10, like that. Okay, this is 15, this is 20. Which is greater? 20 is greater, it's going to be like that. It's 100 is 28. Which is greater? 100 is greater, so it's turned like that. Okay, now let's suppose another question, you will take it out. This is a 3854 and this is a 15, 20, 100. Okay, now let's see how many digits. These have 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. How many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Now you can tell me which is greater. Of course this because this is a 15,000, this is a 3000. 3000 is greater or 15,000 is greater? 15,000. So this is greater, so it's done like that. Okay na? Exactly, right? Now, so generally this is only happening here. Okay, so always remember appreciated symbol means that one only. Okay, so let's check it out. Another question, if I take you, this is given 8 and 9. Okay, you can solve this one. Okay, second question is given 10 and 10. Okay, this is third question, it is given, this is 100 and this is 125. Okay, the fourth question is given 75 and 26. Now you can tell me which is greater, 8 or 9? 8 or 9, which is greater? 9, so its mouth going to be like that. 10 or 10, both are same now, so it's going to be equal to, this is 100, 125, which is greater? 125, so it's going to be like that. This is 75, this is 26, which is greater? 26? No, 75 is greater, so its mouth will be like that. Okay, is it clear? Right, so now I will write this opposite, 9 or 8, you have to find. 10 and 10. Okay, now this is 125 and 100. Okay, both are the same question, but I change it. Now you can tell me. Okay, this is 9 or this is that, which is greater? 9 is greater, so where its mouth will be like that. 10 10, both are equal sign. 125 100, which is greater? 125, mouth will be like that. This is 26 25, which is greater? 75, so its mouth will be like that. Okay, so generally this is happening here, nothing is very about it, this is something different or something, both are same only. Okay, right, which is greater, the mouth will be turned in that side only. Okay, so overall in this question also we already solved this one also. Okay, this second question also be clear. Right now we have to talk about write the numbers into words and figure. Okay, now we have to write the numbers into words and figures, etc. So I don't know you know about the like numbers or not, but I will talk about it. Okay, now the second, that's the second or fourth thing, it is fourth one na? Right, so let's talk about the fourth one. So what is our fourth one telling? Writing numbers into the words and figure. Writing, okay now, writing numbers, okay now, writing numbers into words, okay na, and into the words and figure. Okay, simple. In this one what I'm going to tell you, just listen. This is given 768. Okay, I am telling you write this into the words. So how you will write? It's simple. I hope you know the counting. This is given 7 8 6 5 4. Now how you will count? You will count like that. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000. Okay, and this is 10,000. Okay, generally we count like that only, because this is the our number systems. We count like that: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000s. Then after another number is there, lakhs, another number 10 lakhs, then another number crore, then another 10 crores. Okay, we count like that only. Okay na? How we count? Simple, we count like that: ones, then tens, then we count like that 100, then 1000, then 10,000. Okay, 10,000, then after lakh, then after 10 lakh, then after crore. Okay, then after 10 crore. Okay na? After that also there is a numbers are given, Sankh is there, Mahasankh, Padmas, Mahapadmas, etc. Okay, but generally we count like that only na. So this is the our counting. Okay na, this is our countings. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay na, and we will count like difference also. Okay na, like internationally we also count like exactly if I talk about you, we will count different also, like this is the Indian systems, this is an Indian system, this is an Indian counting. Okay, this is the Indian systems: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. This is the Indian number systems counting. Okay, remember. And one thing, this numbers is given, uses of comma also you will learn, but generally just understand here only. This is given 7860, 7806, okay. So how we can convert this into the word? It's simple, count. Okay, how you count? Simple. This is ones, tens, hundred. How much it is? It is 7. It's telling 700. Now let's write this into the 7. Now write how? Just write 700. This is given, write 700. This is going to be 7 HUNDRED, 700. After that, what is there? 86 there, na? Right, simple. This is going to be 86 over. Now another example, 265 is there. Okay, now count. This is ones, tens, hundred. This is given how much? 200. So right here, this is going to be 2 HUNDRED, 200. How much? 65, right? 65. Okay, now let's transport this. This is given 2165. Now you will count. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. How much? It's 1,000. So it's how much? This is going to be 2. This is 1,000 now. So right, this is a 2,000. Okay, now write like that. This is 2,000 over ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 2,000 is over. Now what is left? 165. Now count ones, tens, hundred. So how much? This is going to be 2,000. Now we have to write 1,000. This is 1 is there, 1,000. Okay, now write 100, not 1,000, 100. Okay, now 100. After that 100, what is 65, right? Like that, 65. Another 5, 6, 4, 3. Okay, in this one also, how we are going? Simple, count ones, tens, hundred, thousand. How much? It's 5,000. Right here, this is going to be a 5,000, THOUSAND, thousand. After it, how much? Ones, tens, hundred. This is given 600. Right, SIX6 HUNDRED, 100. Then after, what is 43? Right, 43. FOURTY, 40, THREE, 3. It's so simple. Okay, now right, next what we are going to, let's talk. This is 63214. Okay, is it given? So how you count? Simple, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. It's thousand only na, both are thousand only na. So it's going to be a count ones, tens, hundred. Okay, this is 100. This is what? 1,000. This is 1,000. This is 10,000. When it's come 10,000, so what we will write? Both thousands. This is 1,000. Okay, this is 10,000. So this is 1,000. 6 is 1,000. Okay, when it's like 3 is 1,000 here. Okay, but when it's coming 6, it's a 10,000. Both are 10,000. So we will write same. We will write 63,000. What we are going to write? We are going to write 63. We are going to write 63,000. This is going to be right 1,000. Okay, now this is over. Which is left? This is 2. So we are writing 200. We are going to write 200. What is 49? So we are writing 49. Simple. So generally we do like that only. Crore, million, it's going to be okay. Now we are going to talk about commas, uses of comma. I will teach you the uses of comma, and then I will teach you international also. Okay, na? Uses of comma. So what is the uses of comma? So remember, in Indian number system, like this is given 832. Okay, so we will count like that. Ones, tens, hundred. 100 is over now. After that 100, put a comma. Simple. Remember, in Indian number systems, first we put comma in 3, then after 2, then after 2, 2 to 2 only. Okay, in the Indian number systems, we always put starting putting comma in the, like this is given as 7, 8, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so how we will put comma in Indian number system? First 3 digits, count 1, 2, 3. After 3 digits, 1 comma, put 1 comma. After the 2 digits, we have to put comma. After the 2 digits, so this is 1, 2. So you will put like that here. No, in the last we will never put comma. Okay, so it is not, we are not going to put here. Okay, let's suppose this is given 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 3 1. This is one even. So how you will put comma? First three digits count, ones, tens, hundred. This is 100. Now this is put comma. After that, 1000, 10,000. 1000 is over. Now lakhs, 10 lakhs. Lakhs is over, put comma after it, over. Now generally we do like that. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, comma. Then after this is 1000, and then after 10,000. Both are same. Then after put comma. Then after we will count lakhs and 10 lakhs. Both are same, comma. Then after crore. Then after 10 crore. Both are same, then comma. So only that's why we are following like that, because ones, tens, 100, 3. After 3 digits number comma. 1000, 10,000 both are 2 only. Lakhs and 10 lakhs both are 2 digits number. Crore and 2 crores both are 10 crores, both are same. That's why we put in Indian number systems where we will put comma first 3 digits, then after 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits only. Okay, this is a rule of Indians putting Indian digits. Okay, now let's say this is given 9 6 0 0 2 3 4. Okay, now you will say first we are going to count ones, tens, 100. 100 is over, put comma. After it 1000, 10,000, put comma. First 3, then 2. Then you will say this is, sir, it's 2 digits, put comma like that. No, this is the last. Now you will not put comma. So now let's see another. This is going to be 1 9 6 2 5 3 2 1. Now let's 3 digits putting comma. After that 2 digits. After that 2 digits. So you will say, sir, this is a 1 digit you can put. No, it's not like that. It's over. You are putting here. Okay, now wait for the 2 digits. 2 digits are there. You will say, yes sir, 2 digits there. Then put comma. No, you cannot put. Why? Because this over. Because 2 digits are there. Now if you put in the like, also you will put comma like that. So it's looking good. No, it's not looking good. Okay, now that's why. Okay, now let's suppose this is a girl. In the girl, if like the Mossets will go. Okay, so like okay, just understand like that only, because girls have a long hair. So girls have a long hair, it's look nice in the girls only. But if boys take long hair, then how it's will look, voice will look some different, right? So that's why. So if you put like comma here like that, so it will be like that only, like boys putting long hair like that only, it's look like. So that's why we are not. Okay, so now see another example. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Don't think this is a number. This is not a number. Okay, now it's directly, it's not a mobile number. Okay, so don't see. So Indian number system, first 3 digits put comma. Okay, over. After 2 digits, over. After 2 digits, over. Simple, nothing we have to do. Just another question. Do first 3 digits, then 2 digits, over. Simple. But in international, what will happen? International number system. In the international number systems start from the it's start from like that. We count like that: ones, tens, 100. First 3 digits. After it, what will happen? They count like that. They count 1000. They count thousands. Okay, then they will count thousands. They will count 10,000 also. In international number systems, they count ones, tens, 100. Okay, that's good. Then after they count like that, they count thousands. Okay, that's good. 1000. Then after they count 10,000. Yeah, we are also count 10,000s. They count 10,000. Then after they count 100,000s. They count 100,000s. This is the one of the like something different. This is also 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is also 3 digits, right? So they are counting like that. We are in Indian number systems, we generally count ones, tens, 100. We count 1000, 10,000s, over. Then we move to the lakhs. Then after we count 10 lakhs, over. Then 10 crore. Then after 10 crore, we count. But in international number system, we count like that: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000s. Then after they do not count lakhs, they count million. Then after they count 10 million. Okay, now then they count 10 million. Then after they count 100 million. This is also million, 10 million, 100. This is also 3. So that's why in international number systems we put digit after three digits only. We will put comma, like this is 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. International number system simple. 3 digits put comma, after 3 digits put comma. Why? Because we know that ones, tens, hundred, 3 digits. Thousand, thousands. How many thousands come? 1000, 10,000, 100. 3 times thousands come. That's why after the 3 digits. Million, million. This is million, 10 million, 100 million. 3. So that's why 3. So in Indian number system we put 3, then 2, then 2, then 2. Okay. In Indian number system. But international number system, first 3, then 3, then 3. Okay. Right? How? Let's talk another one. This is given 8 7 9 6 5 4 6 3 2. Now you want to be put comma in this one. First 3 digits comma, 1 10 100 over. Now this is 1000 10,000 100,000s. After that 3 digits comma, 1 2 3 comma. Simple. If you count this one, how you will count? Simple. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million, then billion, then after 10 billion, 100 billion, then after trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion, 100 trillion. That's okay. Okay now. Take another 9600465045. Okay, now you have to put comma. So international number system, how we will put comma? After 3 digits, 3 digits put comma, 1 2 3, 3 digits put comma, 1 2 3, after 3 digits put comma, over. This is 2 digits. If it is going like that, so you will put comma like that. No, in the end, in this end, never put comma. Okay na? Right. So if it will be like that also, you have to not put comma here. Okay, right? Is it clear? Right. So I hope this is going to be clear for you. So overall this commas is also over. Now we are going to talk about the rounding of numbers. Okay na? Fifth is clear. Sixth is what? Indian and international number systems. Okay, I hope you will know about it. Indian and international number systems. Okay na? Generally what I am telling you here, this is given 8 7 5 4 3 2. Okay, so if you want to write this into if you want to be right, so how you can write this into the Indian number systems? In Indian number systems we are going to write like that. Okay, we are going to write like that. We will write like that: ones, tens, hundred. Okay, thousand, 10,000. First put comma like that, then like that. So we are count like that. So we are going to write like that. We will write this one like that. This is 8. Okay now, so we are going to write 8 lakhs. We will write. Okay now, we will write 8 lakh. We will write 8 lakh. This is 65. We will write 65. Okay na? 65. This is 1000 na? This is 1000. 65,000. Okay, simple. Now this is what? 432. So this is 400. So we will write 400. How much? 32. We will write 32. 32 over. Now if this one also, if this question only, same question. Okay, same question. If I have to write international number system, if same question, if I have to be write into the international, so how I will write? Simple. First I will put comma after the 3 digits. 3 digits comma 3. So don't put here, it's over. Now if you put here, it's over. Now it's okay. Now you have to write. So simple, how you will write? So count. This is the 1000. Okay, this is a 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So how you will write? We will write like that. This is 8 there na, so write 800. We will write like that. Just unless 865 is there na, so we are going to write like that. 800. This is 65, right? 65. Now they will write the 1000. 865. First this number is there na, they will write like that. 8065. Now 8065 written. Now which position they are? They are in the 1000. So now you will write 1000. Okay, now you will write 1000. Then after, this is 432. 432 over. Okay, now I will explain you one more question. 7865432. Okay, now international number system, first three digits comma. Okay, now if you want to write this one, so how you will write? Simple. This is the 100, this is 1,000. Okay, this is a million. So how much? This is a 7 million, right? Like that. SEVEN, 7 million. Okay, 7 million over. This is over. Now this is how you will write. Simple. 8,065. We will write first 8,065. This is, you are going to write like that. 8,000, you are going to write like that. 8,065. Okay, then after you will write 1,000, not 8,000, not, sorry, I'm really sorry for that. 800, you will write like that. 865, you written 865. Now you have to write 1,000. Then after, this is what? 432, right here. A for your 4, HUNDRED, 100, THIRTY, 32. Okay, now another question. Let's see. I will tell you another question to be understand more better. 965,863,42. Okay, 3 digits comma. Okay, I will erase this one to understand. Now this is 2. So we know that this is 1,000, this is a million. So how will you write? This is, you will write simple, right? 65 million only. See that. In simple you will write this is 65, right? 65 million, because this is million. So write SIXTY, 60, FIVE, 65 million. Okay, now this is 65 million. Okay, this is over. Now we have to write this one. So in this one, what will happen? We will write simple 863. We are going to write 8, simple 800 860, 63 is there, na? 863. This is 1,000 place, right? So write 1,000. In the last we have to write the 1,000. Okay, now it's over. Now what is this? Is 264, right? Simple 264. This is a 246. Sorry, it's a 46 over. Right? So like that, generally we do that. Okay, now so I hope this one is also over. So let me see how much we done that. Okay, now in this box. Okay, so generally we completed the writing numbers, figures, uses of comma we done, international we done. Now we have to understand the round of numbers, digits and expanded form. Now then after we will over that. Okay, generally in the half an hour it's going to be over. Okay, just see that. Okay, it's the last one, just wait. Okay, okay. So Indian number systems over. Now let's talk about the round of numbers. Okay, now let's talk about the round of numbers. This is very important. This is important. Why I'm telling you? Let's understand. So if I talk about you, if you see, when you go to the shop or any mall, if you go shop or any mall, there you will see, if the price of cloth is there na, it will written like that, 99 rupees, or it will written like this, like 499 rupees. Otherwise it will written like that, RS 999. They will write like that. Okay, so but exactly, let's suppose if your mom went a mall and he purchased a sword, or a, like if you are a boy, then he purchased a sword or any t-shirt. If you are a girl, then he purchased frock or sari something. Okay, so let's suppose he went a mall, your mom went a mall, otherwise your father, and he purchased a t-shirt or any like sari, and the price is going to be 999 rupees. The price is 990 rupees. So when your father or mother brought that, so you go to your father and you ask, like when you see a short or whatever sari, you will say, mama, father, whatever, it's a very nice dress, how much price you paid for this t-shirt or this sari. So you will ask your mom or father how much money you paid for this shirt. So your mommy will not tell like 999 I paid. They will simple say, beta, the price of this shirt is 1000. What they say, the price will be 1000. Why? Because they said one particular, exactly a number he said. Okay, now exactly a number he said. Why? It's a rounding number he said, 1000. That's why they are written. Okay, now the price will be 999, but they will not say 999. So it means not that they did something wrong. It's not like that, because it's a human nature. Okay, now we, whatever numbers are there now, we take round off and we say if it is price is 999 now, so your mom will say it's a 1000. Like let's suppose also you are going to a shop for the buying a pencil and books and something. If the price of the pencil and books will be going to be 47 rupees now, whatever you bought in the 47 rupees, you are not going to tell mama I bought this in 47 rupees. You will say the total price will be 50 rupees only. What you will say, I purchased pen, I paper and this scale, the price is 50 rupees. In 50 rupees I purchase. Okay, let's suppose you bought a pencil. Okay, you bought a pen. This is, you bought a pen and you bought a pencil also. Okay, so the pen price is, let's suppose the pen price is 7 rupees. Okay, and the pencil price is generally it's a 4 rupees. Okay, so if your father is there, when your father came and he asked what is the price of your pen, beta, so you will say 7 rupees. Like let's suppose, just understand this one only. If you bought a pen in 7 rupees, so when someone asks to you, will you, how many rupees you paid for this pen, so you will say 7 rupees. No, you will say directly, yeah, I bought in the 10 rupees. Like the price of pen is 9 rupees, so you will say I bought in 10 rupees. Like what will happen when you go to shop and something, like when our mother tell us to go and buy something, chocolates or like some biscuits or otherwise some food also, they will send us for the buying vegetables, otherwise any kitchen materials. When they send us to buy that, we go to the market. Okay, now when we buy, there will be 2 or 3 rupees will be left in that. Okay, like if they given 15 rupees to us, if they given 15 rupees to us, if in that only, if like 3 or 4 rupees is left now, so what we say, we take this 3 and 4 rupees. Okay, now so generally we say that if the price is 50, so generally we don't say the total is 50. We say like that, yeah, like if anything we're going to purchase, if it is not, we say directly it's a 50 rupees. We say it's 50, but then it's 3 and 3 rupees for it's lefted, and we take that. Okay, right, it's a childhood something. Okay, now but don't worry, it's a round figure. All are the round figures only. Okay, now okay, so now let's talk about the round off numbers. Okay, now we did lots of, okay, now in the round figure what will happen, remember, from 0 to 4, whatever number is there now, we are going to add plus 1 in this. Okay, plus 1 we are going to add, no, we are not going to add, we are going to just minus that. Okay, when it's going 5 to 9, whatever number is there now, what we are going to do in this one, we are going to write plus 1 and then after we put 0 0. Okay, how, I will explain you. Let's suppose this is 7. If you want to round figure of this one, so how you will write? It's simple. First, see where this 7 is come, 5 to 9, it's between 5 to 9 only 7 will come now. So this become 1, it's become 10. Why? Because it's numbered. This 7 will become what? 1, and it's become whatever number will be there now, it's become 0. Simple. Like that, if it is 17, okay, if it is 70, then what will happen? This 7 is, this is there now, this is there, it's become near number. What is the nearest number of 7? That's 10. It's become 10. Okay, this is 17 is there. What is the nearest number of 17? What is the, this is 70, is 7 is there now, 1 is there now. In this one, where it is 1, where it this 1, so is it 1? So we are not going to see this one. This nearest value will be going to be 20. How? Because this is become tens. In this one we say 7. Okay, in this one we are only seeing this value. Okay, generally what I'm telling you, just forgot this. Okay, just leave it this all. Okay, now just see what this 17 is there now. If I talk about this first number after the living first number, look 7. If it is 1 is there now, just forgot 1, just look 7 only. Where this 7 come? Between this and this number, yes. So in this one it's going to be plus 1, in this one it's going to be plus 1, it's going to be 2, and after that whatever number it's going to be 0. Okay, now let's take another example. Let's 3 and 19, 39 is given. Okay, so don't see 3, just see 9. Whatever number we are given, don't see that, see the near number of that. This is 9 is given now. So what is a 9 is there? So where it's 9 come? 9's come in this 5 and 9. So we are going to add plus 1. Okay, now we are going to add plus 1. So in this 3 add plus 1. So this is 3. If you add plus 1, it's going to be 4. After that whatever number is there, it's become 0. If 9 is there, it's become 0. Exactly. Okay, now so this is called rounding of numbers. Let's suppose this is 34. Okay, now if I take you, this is a 34. So we have to see this, we don't have to see 3, we have to see the near number, this 9. Where this 9 there, where this 4 come between this and this. So what we are going to do, we are going to just take this minus when it's coming, when 0 to 4 anything is come, we are going to take as a 0. So this is 3 is there, write 3, and what about this 0? Okay, how? Let's see, this is 53. Okay, now you want to check, just forgot this 5, just see the 3 only. Where this 3 come between 0 to 4, so this 3, it means that it's become 5 and 0, whatever this, simple, this whatever this is there now, it will be same only, but this 3 becomes 0. So generally this is the called place value. This is a rounding up numbers. Actually I will explain this into the more details. Just it's a, you can say it's a for basic converse for the understanding. Now let's see. Now round of the tens values. Okay, now tens. Okay, now if you say about this or not, I don't know, but I tell you rounding up numbers of a tens and something. Okay, just wait a minute, because okay, now okay, okay, right. Okay, so now it's telling that, okay, now we have to round off the tens. Okay, now tens value, nearest tens. Okay, right, nearest tens. Okay, how we can round up the nearest tens? Exactly, I will take examples like 79 and another more things like 345, and another question I'm taking 2961, and another I am taking 263. Okay, generally we have to count where it is tens. So this is ones, this is tens. Tens is this, 7 is in the tens position, but where it is telling tens now, we don't have to see that number, we have to see the nearest of this. This is a tens, which is nearest 9. Where the 9 come? 9 is coming this 5 to 9. It means it is going to be plus 1. In 7 plus 1, it's going to be how much? It's going to be 80. Simple. Now in this one we have to see the nearest tens. 4 is the tens, but which is the nearest? This is a tens position, but which is nearest? 5. So where this 5 come? Between this one, this, so it's going to be plus 1, so it's going to be what? 3. This is going to be plus 5, and it's going to be 50. Okay, why? Because this is 4 is there now, and this is 5. This is the tens position, but we don't have to see this tens, which is the nearest to the tens. We have to see that this number 5. Where this 5, what is the position of the 5? Position come between 5 and 9. So when it's come in this one, so we add plus 1. So in the 4 we added plus 1, it's going to be 5. Then whatever number is there, it's become 0. Like here, which is in the 10th position, this 6 is in the 10th position, but we will see only 1. Where this 1 will be, 1 will be in this position. It means that this is going to be 0. So it's going to be 2. 9 is there now this 6 is there now, 6 will be like that only. This one is going to be 0. Why? Because when any number between 5 to 9, it's going to be plus 1. This like 5, it's going to be plus 1, this 1. But when it is going to be its nearest number between 0 to 4, it's going to be 0. Like 6 here, 6 is 10th position. Okay, it is in the 10th position. Okay, but we have to see the nearest number of this. Nearest number 1 we seen has, it's going to be 1, so it's going to be, we have to write 0. So we written 0. Simple. Now if you see this one, this is which is nearest 3, so it's also 3, it's between that only, so it's become 0. So we will write 2 and 6 same, but after that whatever number is there, we will write 0 only. Okay, now like that we do that. Okay, now like that we can find the nearest 100 numbers. 100. Okay, now if you want to find the 100 also, like if I take about 695, one another question also 36152 also. So how you can find the nearest 100? This is 1 10 100. 100 is which is in the place of 100. 6 is the 100 position, but we don't have to see the this which is nearest to 6. 9, we have to see the 9s. 9 where it is in the 0 to it's where it is between 5 to 9. It means that it's going to be plus 1. So what is going to be, this 6 is there now, in this one it's going to be 7 plus 1. Then after whatever number, it's become 0 0. Now here this is 1 10 100 position, which is there, 1 is there, but which is near to this 5. So we have to see 5. 5 is where it means that it's going to be plus 1. So which is 100 position, this is 3 and 6 will be, this is in 100, it's going to be plus 1, so it's going to be 0, it's going to be 2, sorry 1, and then after whatever number, it's going to be 0 0. Okay, so generally this is called the rounding up the numbers. And now the next is expandation forms. Expandation form is very simple, nothing is hard. Okay, now in expandation form we write simple, like it's given like that 7, like there is a one number will given to you. Okay, just see that one also, it's going to be last also. So the next is expandation. Okay, now exp expanded. Okay, in expandation what will happen, this is given 8 5 6 5 4. So we are going to write this one. How we are going to write, just see, this is 8 is given, write 8. Okay, in this after the 8 how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 digits are there. Now put 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 zeros. After that addition symbols. Okay, now which is there, 6 is there now, write 6. After the 6 how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 numbers, put 3 zeros. Simple. After that which is there, 5, write the 5. After the 5 how many digits? 1 2, put 2 zeros. After that 6 is there, write 6. After that 6 how many digits? 1 digits, put 1 0. After that 4 is there, write 4. After that no write. So we can do like that. Otherwise you can do this one in another way also. In another way how you can do this one, simple, I will tell you. This is 8 is na, write 8. After the 8 how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4. Now multiply and write 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4 zeros. Simple. One, this is a 1000, 10,000 you can write like that. In the after that if you add, if you multiply, this one is going to be same only. So now plus, is it given 6? Write 6. Now multiply sign, 1 always write. After the 6 how many digits? 1 2 3 digits, put 3 zeros over, plus symbol. Now which is 5 is there, write 5, multiply sign and 1. After that how many 2 digits? Put 2 zeros. Simple. Then after plus, then after 6 is there, now write 6. After 6 1, how many digits? 1 zeros, put 1 zeros. Okay, then plus 4 is there, write 4. There is 4 into 1. Okay, after that and digits are no, so write like that only, it's over. Okay, now take another question to understand more better. Okay, now we have to write this one, so I will write first in my way. Okay, 7, write 7. After the 7 how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6 digits, put 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 over. After that, what is given? It is given 8 na, write 8. After the 8, how many digits are there? Count 1 2 3 4 5. Put 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. Simple. After that 5, after that 8, how, which digits? 6 are there na, write 6. After the 6, how many digits are there? Count 1 2 3 4 digits. Put 4 zeros. Over. Now we have to see the 5. 5 is there na, write 5. After the 5, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 digits. Put 3 zeros. Over. Now this is given 4, write 4. After the 4, how many digits? 1 2 digits. Put 2 zeros. After that, what is 6 is there na, 6. After the 6, how many digits? Only 1. Put 1 zeros. Okay. 5. After 5 and is no. Over. So now if you want to write this into the like that in this form, so how you can write? Simple. This is given 7, write 7 cross 1. Simple. First 7 cross 1. How many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Put 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Over. Now what is given? 8 is given. Write 8 into 1. Simple. After that, how many digits? Count 1 2 3 4 5. Write 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Now plus symbol. Then after what is 6 is given. Write 6 into 1. After that, how many digits? 1 2 3 4. Write 4 zeros. Simple. After that, 5 is there na, write 5 cross 1. After that, 5, how many digits? 1 2 3 digits. Put 3 zeros. Simple. This is 4 is given. Write 4 into 1. 4 into 1. After that, how many digits? 1 2 zeros. Put 2 zeros. After that, 6 is given. Write 6 into 1. After the 6, how many digits? 1 zero. Put a 1 0. After that, 5 is given. 5 cross 1. After that, 5, how many zeros? There is a no. So write like that only. Over. So generally this is the only things. Actually this, whatever in this one I told you everything, but actually these chapters are very complicated. Why I'm telling you? Because if you see, I want to share one basic thing to you in this chapter, because you will also understand. Because I explained lot of things I didn't explain in detail in this one, like greatest and smallest I explained in detail, ascending detail, approximate I also explained in detail. But from here, like if you talk about from here, like writing numbers, uses comma, international, from this side I didn't explain in details. Actually I explained it, but not like with my how I have to explain to the weak student. I didn't explain like that. Why? Because the time is also running out. The videos, if I explain in detail with a very one question I have to take and then explain, the time is going to be 2 and 3 hours. Okay, now this all are the one particular chapter. Okay, now when I was young, and when my teacher, not teacher you can say, not my teacher, not class teacher, my brother teach me. He's in my village and he teach me that. So one thing I learned, 1 weeks, 2 weeks, 3. If you see this Indian number and international number system, I learn in 1 month. I learn in 1 month in perfectly. Will you guess? So that's actually when I was in 3rd class only I learned that. You are learning in the 6th class, but when I was in 3rd class I learned it. Okay, now but the thing is that it's a not difficult thing. Don't think about wrong and something. It's a thing. It's all about the explanation. But I generally, it's my trust, I'm telling you, from the writing numbers, this I didn't explain it. I didn't explain with my head and not in detail also. I just try to cover and cover. But actually if I talk about this this all are the one chapter. If I talk about this one, it's going to be 10 minutes video. This, if I talk about this writing words into the numbers, definitely 30 minutes one detailed video will going on. Uses of international, in this 1 hour video definitely going on this. Why? Because this is one of the topics where you have to understand, like Indian international number systems. If you try to understand in one single video, it's not possible. You have to see a special video for this one. Okay, now. And for the rounding up numbers also you have to see the special video. Okay, now in this one there is only 2 things which you have to see the special video. That is going to be this one. Okay, now this one I will tell you. This rounding up numbers and Indian international number systems, these 2 things are there and this writing this. These three things have to be also these three topics are there which you have to be see the special videos. Okay now, so if you are understand with my video, it's okay. Otherwise, if you see the exercise solution na, then you will understand there, because in the exercise solution I explain it in details. Okay now, so in description there is a link of the exercise where this question come in your exercise. Once you look at that, okay now, you will understand more better. So overall this chapter is total completed, and whatever in this one, everything is clear. And then after also, if you didn't understand anywhere, so you can comment me, I will make one particular video on that. Okay now, like whenever if you are not understanding this rounding of numbers, so you can tell to me, I will make one particular video on that topic only. Okay now, how you will find the rounding up numbers, what is India international numbers, I will make one particular video on that only. Okay now, right? So this chapter is only something little bit complicated, but after that whatever you chapter get now in second chapter, that's easy. Okay now, second, third, fourth, after that all chapters are easy. This is only something lengthy and chapters, but I hope you will understand. Okay, right? So see you in the next video. Jai Hind.